In the last 48 hours, two of the biggest companies in fintech just dropped a bombshell that nobody is talking about loud enough. PayPal announced it is cutting 4,760 jobs, 20% of the entire company. And Coinbase, just one day earlier, fired 700 people, 14% of their workforce. Both companies said the exact same thing in their announcements. They're replacing humans with AI agents. This is no longer a future problem. This is happening this week. And if you do not understand what is going on right now, you are going to be completely blindsided. Stay with me, because in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what is happening, who is next, and the 4 specific moves you need to make this week to come out on top instead of getting flattened. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. We do not chase hype, we give you the alpha you can actually use. Let me give you the numbers, because the numbers tell the real story. PayPal CEO Alex Lorez got on the May 5th earnings call and said the company is, quote, becoming a technology company again, and is, quote, aggressively adopting AI in our development processes. Translation, he is gutting middle management and replacing it with AI agents. 20% of the company, 4,760 people. The next day, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong told staff he is flattening the company to 5 layers maximum and moving toward, quote, no peer managers. Coinbase is experimenting with what Armstrong calls one-person teams. One human plus a swarm of AI agents replacing what used to be a 5-person product squad. Read that sentence again. One-person teams. That is the new unit of work in tech. And this is not isolated. According to Challenger Gray and Christmas, in 2025, 55,000 jobs were directly attributed to AI. That is 12 times more than just 2 years earlier. So far in 2026, Layoffs.fyi has tracked over 92,000 tech roles cut, with AI cited as the leading driver in March. Meta cut 8,000 from Reality Labs. Microsoft, Dell, and Oracle all confirmed AI restructurings. Pinterest, Dow, and Cognizant did the same last month. The pattern is identical every single time. Flatten management layers, replace coordination work with agents, hire fewer engineers but pay them more. Here is what nobody is saying out loud. The job that just got eliminated is not the entry-level coder. It is the middle manager, the coordinator, the project manager whose entire role was to translate between humans. AI agents do that for free now. If your job is to forward emails, run status meetings, or update spreadsheets so other people can do their work, you are the target, period. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money or save your job right now? I read every single one, and I want to know what is actually working for you on the ground. Now, let me give you the 4 moves to make this week, because complaining is not a strategy. The first move is to stop being a coordinator and start being an operator. Pick one process at your company, automate it end-to-end with an AI agent, and document the savings. Use N8N, Make.com, or a custom GPT. The person who automates their own department is the person who gets promoted to run the new lean version of it. Do not wait for IT to do it for you. The second move is to learn to manage AI agents the same way managers used to manage people. Tools like CrewAI, LangGraph, and OpenAI Swarm are how you actually run one-person teams. Spend 10 hours this weekend building a 3-agent team that does something real, like full inbox triage, plus drafting, plus follow-up tracking. That single skill, agent orchestration, is what separates the people getting hired from the people getting cut. The third move is to position yourself as AI native on LinkedIn this week, not next month, this week. Hiring managers are right now searching for the phrase AI agent and prompt engineering and workflow automation. If those phrases are not in your headline and skills section, you are invisible to the recruiters scrambling to fill the new lean roles. Add 3 concrete examples to your profile of automations you built. Even simple ones count. The fourth move is to build a side income that is itself AI leveraged, so you have a runway no matter what happens at your day job. The single highest leverage side hustle right now is offering AI workflow audits to local businesses. You walk in, find 3 repetitive tasks, build the agent, charge $2,000 to $5,000 per implementation. Most small businesses do not even know what an AI agent is. The market is wide open and it pays in cash this week, not in stock options that vest in 4 years. Here is your daily life hack tied to this exact moment. Take 15 minutes today and update your resume to lead with measurable AI outcomes, not, quote, used ChatGPT for research. That is dead. Replace it with, quote, deployed an AI agent that processed 1,200 customer tickets per week with 87% resolution. Numbers, agents, outcomes. That is the only resume language that is converting in May 2026. The PayPal and Coinbase headlines are scary because they are real. But every single restructuring like this also creates a smaller, leaner team that is paid more and given more responsibility. The question is which side of that line you are on by the end of this quarter. The 4 moves I just gave you are the difference between the 2 outcomes. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.